I've picked three texts that I'm going to use as part of my writer's portrait project. The first one is a letter that I wrote on behalf of a doctor. It's a recommendation letter. He told me to write it on his behalf and that he would sign off. The second text that I'm going to use, it's a letter that I wrote to a professor last semester for my genetics class, and I think I had a 96.7 in the class, and I forgot to do one of the online open book quizzes, and because of that, the grade dropped from 96.7 to like a 91, which is from an A to A minus. So I wrote her an email explaining the situation, asking her if there was any way that I could make up for it. The third text is a part of my response in a forum to another gentleman that's on the forum. It's on, I believe it's nationalinterest.com, and in my spare time I like to read about like military technology and weapon platforms and such. I'm not an advocate of war, but I like technology, and so this is I guess something that I wrote in my spare time, so you can consider it my hobby. These three different texts are completely different. They have different objectives, and it's a different target audience for each one. However, if I had to pick a theme with regards to all three of these texts that I would like to focus on, it would be how do I write to a specific target audience? You know, how in each different text, you know, do I change the writing style for that audience? I've spent over a decade in finance, and while working, I send emails all the time, and they're short, they're concise, they're very professional. They don't have any type of emotional superlatives in it. I'm not trying to persuade anybody. So when I'm writing, you know, with regards to like trying to like convince people, it's something that I don't do often. So I want to be able to like better be able to write something that plays to someone's emotions, or and something that's not in a professional context. And I think that's something that I'd like to work on more, you know, in regards to my writing. Also, it's very easy for me to write about certain subjects, but what I can't write about as well is when I have to write in the third person or write about myself. I tend to keep saying I a lot in these letters or in these texts, and I think maybe I could use a little bit more help in regards to maybe my segues and my transitions. Thank you for listening to this, and I'll go ahead and upload this, and look forward to seeing your responses. Thank you.